channel. You all must be wondering what I have dressed up as today. Well, my name is Princess Recycle and I have used newspaper, cardboard and old rice sacks to make the fabric of my top and my skirt. I use jute rope for detailing and pista shells to make wonderful designs. My beautiful hat and my purse is made out of all newspaper. I turn waste into beauty and show that best outer waste can be elegant too. Join me on this journey to make our world better, one recycle masterpiece at a time. And before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.